My name is Teacher Zach. Today, we are going to be doing two things. Number one, I will tell you a story. I hope you enjoy the story. After the story, we will do an activity. Your class will be doing the activity. Let's get started with our story. Hello. Today's story is The Wolf and the Crane. Okay. Wolf. A wolf, when I draw a wolf, it will look like this. Here are the ears, the head. There's my mouth. He has some teeth, right? Some big teeth. That is how I will draw a wolf. Okay? Now, the wolf and the crane. Crane is kind of a bird. It's a kind of bird. Okay? It is a very big bird. Now, it is usually white or gray. Okay? Here is my crane. He has long legs and a big body. He has very big wings. When I draw the crane, he has a yellow beak. Okay? And I'll give him an eye. This is how I will draw a crane. Let's get started with our story, The Wolf and the Crane. Now this story starts a long time ago. There was a wolf. Here is my wolf. He's got some big teeth. The wolf is very hungry. He's very hungry, right? He wants to eat some food. The wolf sees a steak. This is a steak with a bone coming out, right? A steak is meat to eat. Now, the wolf is very hungry, so the wolf eats the steak. He eats it very fast. Right? He eats it fast. Eats it very fast. Now, the wolf eats it so fast that this part, the bone, okay? The bone, this is a bone. Okay? The bone gets stuck in his throat, right? Right? The bone gets stuck in his throat. Okay, throat is this part of your body. So if I'm drawing my wolf, here is my wolf. Give him some big ears, his eyes. He has teeth. Maybe I draw him like this. Okay, give him a nose. Right? Here is his mouth with his teeth, right? His mouth here. This is his throat down here, and the bone is stuck. So here is the bone, and it is stuck in his throat. It cannot come out. Okay? Now, the wolf is starting to choke. Okay? Choke. Right? He's starting to choke. He cannot breathe. And so the wolf yells, "Help! Help!" Ooh. Right? He needs help. He starts yelling help. The wolf sees a crane. A crane. Here is the crane. Long neck, long legs. He has a yellow beak. Right? Give him an eye. Okay? The wolf sees the crane. And he says, "Help! Help! Help! It's stuck in my throat." Okay? And the crane says, Okay, I can help. Yes. How do I help? And the wolf says, get the bone out. Get it out of my throat. The crane looks in and sees, the wolf looks in and sees his teeth. Right? Sees his teeth. The crane says, no, I cannot help. No, wolf, you are going to eat me. You will eat me. No. The wolf says, I promise. I promise I will not eat you. I promise I will not eat you. So the crane says, okay, I will help. Right? And the crane takes his neck and his head and he puts it very close to the mouth. He is trying to get the bone out. He goes very close to the mouth, to the wolf's mouth. And the crane sees the teeth again. The teeth. No, I cannot help you. No. The wolf says, if you help me, I will give you a reward. A prize, a gift for helping me. I will give you a reward. Okay? Now, the crane, a reward. The crane is thinking, right? The crane thinks, my reward can be money. I will be rich. Lots of money. And the crane says, okay, if you give me a reward, I will help you. So the crane puts his head all the way in. And with his yellow beak, right? The yellow is his beak. Right, his beak. He puts the beak in and he takes the bone and he gets the bone out. He gets the bone out. Right? The crane gets the bone out and the crane is safe. The crane says, okay, I helped you. I gave you help. Wolf, you need to give me my reward. The crane is thinking, lots of money will be my reward. And the wolf says, yes, your reward. I promise you a reward. Your reward is not money. No. Your reward is I will not eat you. I will not eat you. Bye-bye. And the wolf goes away. The end. I hope you liked today's story, The Wolf and the Crane. Now we will do an activity. Today's activity, we are going to write a new ending to our story. Okay? Now, some people do not like the ending, do not like the end, how the crane does not get money as a reward. So today, you can choose your own ending to the story. I will show you how I would make a fun ending to the story, and you can get started on yours. Now, you can draw this, you can write it, you can do any kind of story you would like. But for me, I'm going to add to my chalkboard story. When I would change the ending, I would say, no, the ending, we do not want the wolf to go away. I want the wolf, right? The wolf is here. The wolf just got the bone. Right? Oh, that's a bad bone. The wolf just got his bone out of his throat, right? The bone came out. I would change the story right now. Now, the wolf just got the bone out. The crane would say, my reward, give me my reward. I would have the wolf be mean, right? Oh, very mean. My wolf would say, "No, I will not give you a reward." And the wolf says to the crane, the wolf says, "I am going to eat you." And I would have the wolf starts to go and tries to eat the crane. Now, the crane still has the bone in his beak, right? In his beak. The wolf says, "I'm going to eat you." The crane would take the bone and he would throw, right? He would throw the bone into the wolf's mouth, into his mouth. And the bone would go, and the bone is stuck in the wolf's throat again. And the crane would say, "You did not give me a reward. I will not help you again." And the crane says, "Bye-bye." The crane goes home. The end. Now it is your turn to decide a new ending to our story. After you are finished, teachers, please take a photo of the new ending to the story and put it in the comments below. Write your school's name next to the picture. I cannot wait to see some of your new endings, and I will see you next time for our next story. Bye-bye.